going to squeeze up above these eye ties.
50 seconds, Joe.
All right. Yes, that's right. It's Joe here for Joyrider TV. On board Bad Boy 94 with Ben. Hey! Yeah, okay, hold on.
Okay, holding him. Holding him behind me.
Yeah, they're going to go down the line, I think.
33 seconds. We're on good time here, Joe. Holding him.
We're having a good time.
Yeah, we're on good time.
We're having a good time.
25.
25 seconds.
No black flag today, no black flag. We're on 14 seconds. Let's go up, please. Let's go up. Power it up. 10, 9, more power. Full power now, Joe. Full power to the line. Yeah, go. Forward.
Okay, and we're off.
Nice start.
Right, just go forwards a bit.
Good start, good start.
Yeah.
Come off a little bit.
Yeah, can you go in there? Yes, we're just catching a bit of backwash here off the Aussie boat. Just going to try to squeeze it up a little bit. As soon as we can get down from them. Okay, so up ahead we've got Alan and Stephen from Australia. Unfortunately, we got sucked down into their dirty wind, which has now put us on the downwind side. We still can't tack.
We can now, Joe.
Go down?
And now tack.
Oh, we can now tack. Yeah, it's still going to be a little bit
We're gonna
juicy.
Italian.
Okay, all right, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Germans here.
You say it with a slightly more German accent, if you could.
The Germans are here.
We're making.
Yeah, we'll make it. We'll make it. We got that.
We got that.
We got that.
All right.
Nicely done, helmsman.
All right. Well, nicely. Nice bit of reassurance. Yeah. So wind is probably 9 or 10 knots. And not as big a sea as yesterday, which is better. But if we could just have a little bit more, we'd be able to open her up and see what she's got. Here we're kind of like just on the edge of being powered enough to trapeze. We've changed to the Rob line main sheet today, tapered. Just because I felt yesterday the wind was so light that the Marlow main sheet wasn't running out quite so well. This tapered main sheet from Rob line certainly goes out and comes in. Nice.
By the mark.
Okay, so even though we've got a reasonable length line to sail in on starboard.
Still struggling on these Australians there, Joe. Losing some speed on that.
Yeah. All right, just this check boat on starboard. They're not going very quick. How are we looking for the lay?
Yeah, not far off to be fair.
Should we tack under them?
Yeah, let's tack under them. Yeah, they're making it there.
They are making it. All right. Okay, here we go. Let's get that up to speed pretty quick. Right, I'm going to stay on the boat now. So you might have to trapeze if we're lucky. Windward mark ahead. It's having to point a little bit, getting some dirty wind off the Czech team there. And these Italian guys have just kind of tacked in front of us. But okay, this is going to be hard and fast on the downwind. I think if it's looking favourite to go on the right hand side of the course, if we need to get over anyone, maybe we'll use the afterburners, the trapeze, just to get that extra boat speed. All right, I'll get out of the way. So moving back, getting out of Ben's way. All right, and now we've got some work to do. What a sight that is though, all these kites. I know it's better not to have this sight, but it is quite a sight. A lot of blue on the race course, bit of blue for the dads there. But at the moment we seem to be going quite nicely, a bit lower, but holding speed.
Yeah, looking good. We've got clean air here, Joe.
Yeah. Coming up a bit.
Yeah.
I'm not going into the danger position. I don't think it's necessary
No, not yet.
with this wind.
They've all gone early.
Yeah, and we're stopping people from jibing a little bit.
Yeah.
Coming up for a little bit more.
I think we could go, Joe. As long as we don't get that black boat on us.
Yeah. But do we want to go? Does it look like there's wind in the middle there?
Remember, we said out to sea was more breeze.
Okay. All right. Let's go then.
Yeah.
Here we go. Nice gust for it. Nice jibe. Okay, so even though the wind's going a little bit softer here, does feel like we're doing the right thing.
Watch out, Italians rolling us. We don't want that to happen.
All right, it's all right. Oh, sheet out a little bit. There we go. Okay, so 2 options we've got here. One would be to jibe off, but then we'll have to pay for it later coming into the gate on port tack. The other option we've got is just to continue going this way until we can hit the gate. Yeah, we should jibe before this blue kite gets to us. Let's jibe there, shall we? Here we go. That's what we need. Yeah. Just to break out from this pack a bit. This pack's been slowing us down. And there's Precoat, who was just behind us. He just went off on his own and he's looking better. Yeah, it's quite a long way to go deep, isn't it? Yeah.
Change the course.
Okay.
Stand by for jibe and jibing.
Okay. Here we go. We could go for another jibe if we want. Yeah, it's going to be less traffic.
Okay. Get some power first. They will have room though after him, Joe. We will have room.
Yeah, we'll.
Yeah, we're fine on this one. Stay here. Stay here.
Yeah. Up.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just going to be dead here. All right, all sorts going on behind us. A lot of shouting. That'll look nice on the video. Maybe even a thumbnail shot of carnage on the high seas. Bit of clickbait there. You know what it's like. Got to sell tickets. Yeah, unfortunately we can't. If we go down there, we're doomed. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's nice. You talk to the boat.
Come on, girl. Joe don't want to know.
Well, no, the Joe can't do anything.
We're stuck on this.
Yeah, it just would have been better to have gone the other way, no traffic, and then we wouldn't have to put in extra tacks. Because going the other way for a short bit, then tacking to come up here. I know we can tack, but we want to go this way. Yeah. Okay, let's tack. I'm not just fucking sitting there and taking it. Excuse the French in this broadcast, by the way. It's not even French, it's just bad language. Yeah. Right, can you go forwards a little bit? Wind going a bit lighter. You may recall on the first upwind we were trapezing, and now we are not. Can you see from your vista the Audi boat? Because that was one of our markers on the downwind.
Italian, wasn't it?
Well, on the downwind, we were right with them for a fair bit.
Yeah, I think we were right. Wave there. Gamio's doing a fabulous job blocking the starboard thing for us.
Nice.
Thank you.
All right, so coming into the mark, no spacer this time. So I've got the main sheet yet. So it's kite straight up. I won't move just yet. Going to see a very good hoist, and I think we should follow the. We should follow rather than kind of like go all in. Okay. Right. Yeah. Yep.
Ready?
Okay. Hold. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Yes. Okay. It's that moment when she starts pulling, then you know we're off. Okay, and we've just got to get away from Andrea here from who's the host of the event effectively. He's the guy that brought us all to Rimini, who's just to windward of us at the moment. It's all right, you can stay to leeward. So we still try to keep it deep. Nice. Good speed. Good direction. It's a good smell. Lovely view. Really steady. That is steady. Okay, so Andrea will be one of our sort of markers.
Take another drive.
Oh, cheat out.
Take another drive. Oh, we use this breeze here. Carry on a bit more.
Yeah, so I think what happens is if we go too high, the rudders stop working, and the only way to bear away is to ease the kite. Or the only way to put it down is to ease the kite. Cool, avoided a bit of wood there. Big lumps of wood in the water in places here.
And lobster pot.
Lobster pots
Okay.
and other tornadoes.
We're thinking about it.
Are we thinking about it? Crikey, I'm scared. All right, yeah, the Germans up ahead are thinking about it too.
Yeah.
Nice gust there.
You go on that?
Maybe we'll, yeah, let's think about it. Make it happen. Oh, making thoughts come true with actions. There we go. That's what happened last time. As soon as we jibed, we just didn't have. Maybe I'm just not coming up high enough.
Yeah. That's better. See the breeze coming in?
Right, so as we come soaring down here, just like to give a shout out to all of our equipment supporters. First one, most prominent, OS3 sails. Yes, Thanos slaving away in the sail loft in Vasiliki. He's supplying most of the jibs to the fleet. I think they're generally thought of as the fastest jibs you can get for a tornado. We've got the full set. Spinnaker, jib, mainsail and trampoline and sticker. It's not until you've got the sticker that you're really in the gang. Then the steering is coming from the Melcheski Composites Pro Joyrider telescopic. Making sure the boat's pointing the right way. Main sheet blocks from Allen, 60 centimetres of girth on these high efficiency bad boys. with the rope from Rob Line, machine tapered. Really does run out very nicely on the tacks. When we need to sheet out, comes in nicely as well when it's coming in. Crystal clear audio from Instamic, oh yeah. And we've got the crystal clear optics from Sun God. Now you may have noticed I do slip mine off after a lap or two. That's because don't want to lose them, yeah. Don't want to lose them. They get a little bit foggy for me. We got some saltwater splashes earlier. I think we've done well here actually. And then crystal clear traction from Zero Shoes. Oh yeah.
Stand by, Jack.
All right. We go out to sea, yeah? Left boy.
Okay, go a little bit further.
As long as there's no traffic, but there shouldn't be, I think.
Guide there, Jay.
Okay, coming. Coming! All right, Andrea's coming down with speed. All right, we could hit the right one and then go on a bit, then tack off. If it looks like less traffic, less distance. Come on, wind. Come on, wind. So do you think we'll be pretty clear on the left? Should we jibe for the left? Okay.
Here we go.
Okay, try to get it really tight there so that we can stay out of Precoat's filth, a dirty wind. Looks like that Austrian boat down there is just cruising. Maybe that was the boat that had difficulties earlier. Right, Andrea from Italy has gone the other way. A little bit more breeze, can we have a bit more jib? I see you're doing it already. Yeah, I know, it's annoying, isn't it? When you're already doing it. That was pretty good, that downwind.
Yeah, now let's go for a good upwind. Come on, baby.
Okay, I'm just going for height at the moment just to not get sucked into his barrel. Ben's on the trapeze. Oh my word, what is going on?
Very stretched.
Yeah, so by the way, I don't know if I mentioned this is race 9 of the Tornado Worlds of a potentially 10 race series. Now the reason I thought, you know, it would have been nice to have filmed race 10, but we don't know if race 10 is going to go ahead. So it's always better to get one in the bank. That's what the bank manager said, get it in the bank. So I thought I'd film race 9 instead of the grand finale. We're sort of fighting at the moment for, I think the most we could hope for if we do really well today would be 16th or 17th overall, which is okay. It's not great, not happy with it, but it's okay. Yeah, given that, not moaning about weight or anything, but there are a lot of lightweight teams, and is it a coincidence that they're all towards the front? Coincidence, or is there something in it? You know, we are lighter than we've been before. Not Ben, of course, he's the heaviest he's ever been. But Bad Boy 94 is lightest that it's ever been. About something like 15 kilos less than previously with Swedish John. Hello John, if you're watching. But Bet you're glad not to be limping up here. All right, Marcus has tacked off. Strong. Yeah. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. And we've kind of reeled the Aussies in a little bit as well. I think our downwind leg was really good.
It's because we got wind.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I see.
Get excited about it.
Always excited to stretch my legs. Just from out here, everything is better. You can see better, everything's more ergonomic, it's easier to sheet in. You can see the mainsail without having to crane your neck. And perhaps most importantly, from out here, feel if you get a gust, you can really maximise on that gust. That's my thoughts.
We hold our own completely in this kind of wind.
Yeah. All right, just watch the bow a little bit. If the bow catches, you just want to come back a touch. Oh, we're double trapezing. Look out, we haven't got a licence for this. All right, just coming back a little bit. Oh, now we are cooking. Right, forwards a bit again. Oh, I'm going for the wrong bloody mark. Excuse the French. There's been a bit of French in this video. I'm not going to cut it out because it takes too long to find it.
Go for the yellow marker, Skip.
Okay, yes sir. Last time round, windward mark. Here we go. So there's Marcus who tacked off. It's coming in on port handle A. All right, so there's Andrea who tacked off early. It looks like it's going to be pretty even from where we were. Maybe just go all the way in there. If there was ever an excuse, I'd say, well, this is Andrea's home waters. So if he doesn't know which way to go, nobody does. I could say that. I'm not going to say it because that would be an excuse. Very nice little bit of wave action there. It's okay. Now this might be called the close reach. I have practiced this. Probably more of an upwind sailing, to be honest. Right, I need to be a bit careful here if they slam the brakes on. What is it? Thought he was going for a jibe there. Just a bear away.
Yeah, we got room. Yeah, let's go before he does, good.
Yeah, okay. All right, ready? Much better. Okay, last downwind leg. Andrea is our kind of marker. Don't know where Peacoat got to.
Yeah, good pressure. Nice clean air here, Joe.
Lovely, yeah, the clean route, nobody to slow us up.
Line.
If the wind here is just as good as it is everywhere else, then this must be the spot. It's one of the first downwinds we've had without traffic. Okay, I hope you're as nervous as we are coming down here. You're probably not.
You don't want to
You're probably making dinner or something. Or you've got the kettle on. Maybe you're in the car. Best not to watch videos while you're driving though, unless you're in a self-driving Tesla. So I've heard this is the self-driving Tornado. Yep. Okay, yeah, we should go. Maybe we'll have to put. Do you think? Maybe we'll have to put another jibe in, but it's a bit safer. We're on our own here. Whew. Nice bit of speed coming down here. Looking forward to looking at the water speed app later to see. Okay, we're standing by for the jibe.
Jibe there.
Went into that jibe with quite a lot of flair, I think you'll find, and panache and speed.
See the line, Joe?
See it? Well, I see the committee boat.
We've got one more jibe in.
Yeah, we've got nothing to, well, not until the fat lady sings. But, yeah, so we're going to put up the map from the water speed app again so you can see where we've been. Say when?
Almost. Stand by.
Standing by.
And jibe there.
Okay, so there it is, race 9. And a bit better, I think, would be the prognosis there. Really haven't got a clue of where we are, and at the moment, thank you very much. Quite happy not to know. So there we go, there's the map. Thanks very much to Ben. He's done a great job throughout this regatta. One race to go, but that's like the cocktail party at the end. Yeah, okay. All right, we'll see you soon with some more on Joyrider TV. Yeah. Woo.